How to use the VBET Casino for online games. Using an online casino like VBET generally involves a straightforward process, but it's crucial to understand the steps and prioritize responsible gaming. Here's a breakdown. First of all, if you haven't already done so, make sure that you register on the VBET website and then make sure you also already have an account. Just navigate to the casino section, which you can find from the bottom right hand side of the web interface on mobile. Once done, now you can explore the game categories because casinos usually categorize games such as slots, including video slots or jackpot slots. There's table games like blackjack, roulette, poker or baccarat. There's also live casino, which is real-time games with live dealers, and other games such as virtual sports or specialty games. You must also understand the gameplay before playing any game, especially if you're unfamiliar with it. Take the time to understand the rules. Many online casinos offer demo versions of games, allowing you to play for free. You can familiarize yourself with betting options, and you must also manage by depositing your funds and manage using your withdrawals, and also set a budget for yourself and stick to it. This is how you could go ahead and then basically use the VBET Casino for online games. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.